Hey, welcome. In this video, I will share with you a list of odd products that you can sell in September. Now, this is not some random products recommendation video. I got this exclusive list directly from a merchant that exports in China. So these are people that sell to people that also resell in their country. So this is an exclusive list of odd selling product that people are currently buying. That is what I'm about to share with you. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Look at this column, sales in the last 30 days. You can see this is 272,000 sales, 129,000 sales. This was actually meant for my eyes only, but then out of my good heart, I've decided to share some with you. I will share like 2 to 3 from this list and some other products that I will also recommend. Now, the first one I would like to share is 3-in-1 eye protection car ceramic coating liquid. I've sold a product similar to this like 3 years ago or even 4 years ago, but then I think this particular one is selling crazily high. Now you will notice something here. You see the number of bottles sold that is being shown on 1688 is 92,000, just 92,000. But then on the list you are saying 185,538. Now the reason is because some of these suppliers, they have people that buy this product even offline, and some of them also have stores on other platforms. So but on 1688, that's why if you see some numbers, this is not the total number. There are some other volumes that is not being displayed. I just thought of explaining that. So what does this product itself does? Now, if you are familiar with car ceramic coating liquid or spray, basically they do 3 things. It helps in cleaning, polishing, and protecting the car surface or exterior. Okay, let's see. Look at this particular. You can see without coating, with coating. And it also makes cleaning your vehicle or car very fast and easy. Also, once you coat your car surface, it is hard for it to scratch. So it has so many advantages. I know we are entering ember period. People will be using their car, traveling on the road, on the go, and all of that. So you can start preparing for the ember season. Now let's look at the next product here. Invisible waterproof agent. As I've said, we are entering September. Well, by the time you are watching this, probably it is already September, but then it is ember period. There will be so many repairs going on in the house, right? So one of the products that you can sell is this invisible waterproof agent. It is also a multi-purpose product, so you can use as a sealant on different surfaces in the bedroom, kitchen, exterior walls, and all of that. And the interesting part is this particular product was the first product on this list. You can see 272,616 sales in the last 30 days. And again, the interesting part is it is also on this list as well. Let me see. Yeah, I also saw it on this list. Can you see? I also saw it on this list. So it means it is something that people are actually buying crazily right now. And of course, it has a lot of use cases. You can see you can use to block leakages in your home. You can use it on roofs, tiles, marbles, bricks, wood. Can you see? If you have broken pipes, you can use it to also seal it. So it has so many advantages. Waterproof sealant agent. Now, before I talk about the next product recommendation on our list, let me talk about the e-commerce done for you package. For those that don't know, now you will know. So just as it sounds, is my agency helping you set up a profitable 7-figure e-commerce business. Now look at this screenshot. This was sent to me by one of our done for you clients in August 1. That was the beginning of this month. Now he got this package in July, and we were able to help him make his first 7-figure in naira, by the way, first 7-figure profit. Now on the 13th, he sent me another message saying they are less than 40% away from hitting their target, which he told me August 1. And then August 27th, he sent me a message that they crossed 1 million in pure profit. Now, this is not total revenue or sales. This is basically what we help you do. I would add a video right now to talk more about the done for you e-commerce package. Then we'll proceed and continue with the product recommendation. E-commerce done for you package, just the way it sounds, is our agency helping you set up an e-commerce business from scratch. You don't need to know anything, you don't need to have a brand and all of that. So if you have always struggled with e-commerce business, you haven't really made money with e-commerce, but you want to make your first 7-figure through e-commerce, then this is for you. Pay attention. So here is the thing. First thing we offer is an hot-selling product that is exclusive to you. This is very important, because if you have an hot-selling product, then every other thing you'll be doing will become very easy. And let me just say this, me recommending just a product to sell to you will cost you 50,000 naira. I will show proofs here, don't worry. 50,000 naira. I just delivered one yesterday, so I'm just giving you an insight. So this is part of the package. Secondly, we also help you source for this product. Let's say in China, source for it, procure and pay for this product. Now, the essence of this is, I have a friend, over 5 years, she helps me source for products, check it out to be sure, okay, this product works, then help me procure and even make payment on my behalf. I've talked about her on this channel before. Alright, so we help you do that, which means we are helping you, we are giving you a product and also helping you source for the quality one. Now, the third thing here is, so we help you ship this product from China to Nigeria directly. All of my e-commerce done for you clients, I've helped them do this same thing without any issue. Then the next thing we do after helping you source for products and bring them directly to you in Nigeria, we then set up a full sales funnel. So it's not just a sales page now, but a full sales funnel with all conversions, because it's not just having a website. There is a way you need to set it up. There are some conversion elements that needs to be in place on the website. So this will also be on your own website. And also, this is what many people don't understand. If you complain about delivery rate, it actually starts from your sales funnel. The way it is structured, the way it is designed, the flow, all of these things matter. So if you do it correctly, the right way, then your bottom line, you have high delivery rate. Many people don't know, they just assume customers are not serious. Now, the next thing is drive traffic, bring people to come and buy through the sales funnel. So we'll create your ads copy, we'll create the ads creative, both the image and the video. The next thing is, you and I will jump on a call to set up your advert using my never fail launch strategy. Just let me say this again. My one-on-one session cost $100. That's about 150,000 naira or so. But then we'll jump on a call, you and I, and we'll set up the advert and launch. And the last thing here on the list is, you have access to my private delivery network nationwide. Whichever state you are delivering to, I have agents there that can help you deliver. Why many people complain about their agents, I don't know, but mine are actually very, very good. We have been working, many of them have been working for over 3 years. So they are very, very good. And if you are coming through me, they will also do you well. These are what you'll be getting. The bottom line is, it will help you make your first 7-figure in e-commerce business or your next 7-figure. So this is what it actually entails. Now, let me say this is not a course, it is a service. But what makes this very, very different is that you own all of the assets that I'll be using, from your Facebook page to the website and everything inside the website, the funnel, everything. And you also get insider secrets of how we launch new e-commerce business, launch our advert. So all of this asset and knowledge can be reused to launch new set of products. So the interesting part for me of this particular service is we are not just helping you make money now, it's more like empowering you, because everybody that we have done this for, now they can now launch their own product, new product on their own. I have so many clients like that. So if you have always asked me to teach you e-commerce business, you see, e-commerce is very, very vast and wide, but then this is the best way for me to, let me say, teach you, even though it is not a course. So I'm not just doing helping you make money, I also take you along throughout the process, so you'll be able to make money on your own, even without my own intervention. So these are all the amazing things you'll be getting in the e-commerce done for you business package. And here is the thing, we can only take 2 people. So if you're interested, reach out to me on Instagram. There is no website for this. Reach out to me on Instagram and send a DM with the keyword DFY, then we'll take it up. Now let's continue with our product recommendation. So this is the third product, a portable air conditioner. But let me play this video so you see. Now this is like a 2-in-1 product as well. It has 2 functions of cooling and also humidifying. The funniest part is I saw this particular product in one of my friends' place when I visited him here in Poland. I believe this is a product that you can actually sell. It does not require ice as shown in that video. Just water is enough. Yeah, just pour water, and it is also rechargeable. You can see, although they are using ice here, but then if it is just water that you have, you are good to go. You can see on wind with a device that does it all. I believe this will sell, although it is a product for summer here in Europe, but then I believe it will also sell in Nigeria during those periods when there is heat. Alright, so the 4th product on our list is this mini GPS tracker. I recommended a similar product in one of my videos. It's still kind of similar though, but then the design is kind of different. So if you watch that particular video, you know what I'm saying. Look at this. So basically you can use it to track in real time. So you know, when it is ember period, one thing is constant: security. People are always conscious of security. So this is a product that you can sell to parents, to guardians, pet owners, vehicle owners, and all of that. All right, so look at this mini GPS locator. All right, so let's look at the last product on our list. So I saw this particular advert, and this is my own niche, beauty niche. Okay, so let me just play this video. So basically this is a device that can be placed under the eye. I know for sure women are looking to reduce eye bags and all of that, but then I don't know if it will sell in Nigeria in particular. But of course I know there are people watching this video, there are also drop shippers, so you can consider drop shipping this particular product. Let's look at the comments. Let's look at what people are saying. Nice, amazing. I wear this on the street at the shopping center. So you can actually use it anywhere you are going to. So look younger. Now let's look at the engagement. It has over 5,000 reactions, over 900 comments, and over 2.3 million views. That alone is a lot. And this is the website. Now the reason why I included this is there are different products, more like serum and patches, that helps solve this similar problem. But then this particular one is different, so it is more like a device, right? So you are offering them a different solution they are probably not used to. So lift and firm eye contour after a single use, glowing radiant skin over time. So you can see rejuvenating red light, fine lines, wrinkles, sagged skin, rejuvenate and repair. You can see your 10 minutes eye care routine. Anyways, you can also check it out. Now, just in case you are new to e-commerce as a business and you're asking, what then do you do with all of these product recommendations? I created a complete e-commerce business tutorial for you. So go watch this particular video. I would put the link on screen and also in the description of this particular video, so it will show you how you can then pick this product and then create a business out of it. So go check it out.